Hey there! Is your iPhone camera not working after the iOS 18 update? You totally get how frustrating that can be. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to share some quick and easy fixes to get your camera back up and running. So let's jump right in and tackle this together. Before you do anything, let's check for any hardware issues with your iPhone. First, open the App Store. Then type "Check My Device" into the search bar. After that, install this app. Now tap Open to launch the app. Next, scroll down to find the camera settings. Open that section up. Try taking some pictures and see what happens. If it fails, that could mean there are hardware issues. But don't fret, let's try the following processes to solve your problem. Solution 1. Enable lens correction. First, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Camera. After that, scroll down again to find lens correction. Make sure to turn it on. Solution 2. Force close the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle if you're using an iPhone without a home button. Or double-click the Home button for iPhones with a home button. Next, find the camera app and swipe it up to close it. After that, restart your iPhone and see if the camera is functioning properly. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Open the Settings app. Then tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. After updating, test the camera app again. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Then tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. After resetting, check if your camera works. Solution 5. Check for hardware issues. If none of the above solutions work, there might be an hardware issue. Consider visiting an Apple Store or an authorized service provider for a thorough diagnosis. So there you have it. Those are the steps to fix your iPhone camera if it's not working properly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a ton for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.